Surprised by unmanned stores. Let's get started. Hi Jackie. I've bought some snacks at a store close to my office. Please get something.
Thanks, Grandpa. I love it.
Here are some chocolates and chips.
Great. You are so late. And I miss you so much.
Do you know what's so special for the snacks?
I have no idea of it.
I bought those snacks from Unmanned convenience store.
Oh really? What is it about?
I mean that the store does not have a cashier.
I haven't seen such store before.
I should take you to the shop next time. Can you imagine a completely unstaffed store? You can't find any cashier in the exit of the store.
It is very interesting. If there is no cashier, how do you pay for the goods?
The store deducts my credit card account automatically.
How does the shop know who you are if you do not provide anything?
That's really a good question.
I am also curious about the way of preventing thefts from shoplifting.
It should not happen. The shop is able to recognize each customer.
How can the store do it?
Let me tell you how I shop. I walk into the store, scan my mobile application, grab the goods, walk out, and my account is charged. It takes only a few seconds, and is just simple.
It is truly a new shopping experience to me. Is there any queue at the store?
It's none. As there is no checkout at all. It saves the queuing time.
It is fascinating. How is the design of the store?
It's equipped with high-tech equipment.
How can the store operate?
I've read an article about the development of unmanned stores. The number of stores is expanding in different countries, and it's becoming more common.
If the store is so intelligent, I am more interested to know the setup.
It's actually quite complicated, because the store requires to know when an item is taken up by a specific customer.
Wow! What are those technologies?
The setup cost is relatively high, because different technologies are adopted.
It's marvelous.
Customer may put the item back on the shelf, and the system should be able to know the movement of the item.
It's amazing. Can you tell me how to do this?
First of all, can you imagine that the ceiling of the store has installed plenty of cameras?
Oh really? Is the function of those cameras to record the movement of customers?
Yes. The cameras can monitor which products a particular customer has picked up. With the use of cameras, the store can also know the path of each customer.
It's very smart.
The cameras are equipped with artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms that can track each customer's movement and provide insights.
Oh, it's AI. I heard it many times recently.
Do you know how the importance of customers' path?
Let me guess. If the store can know the path of a customer, the behavior of purchase should also be tracked by the system.
Right. The store is then able to get some valuable insights by understanding the habits of customers.
I understood. The store is able to respond to the trends of design. For example, the hot items should be placed at a more prominent position.
Exactly. It's able to help the design of goods display, hence improving customer experience.
I cannot imagine that. Our images are captured in every step within the store.
It's also related to computer vision technology. Do you know why the shelves are so smart and can detect the goods?
There should be secret about the goods. Am I correct?
There is a chip placed in every item on the shelf.
It is awesome. It is an intelligent chip.
The chip is equipped with radio frequency identification and can store more information. It's an electronic tag.
Is it related to storage only?
It's more than that. It can track items that are taken off from the shelves and checked out automatically.
Grandpa, I do not quite understand.
Let me elaborate more. With RFID technology, customers leaving the store will be automatically scanned and detected with RFID chips on their purchases.
I got it. The store should be installed with sensors as well. Right?
Yes. The RFID chips linking up with the AI cameras mark the item to the specific customer. The whole process is seamless.
It is the reason why the system is able to recognize particular customer purchasing particular item.
All the systems are linked up together. If restocking is required, the store can arrange immediately.
It's really an amazing design.
They're all related to the usage of advanced technologies. Meanwhile, there is another type of unmanned store, with relatively lower cost than the fully automated one.
I haven't a clue.
There is a cashier section at the exit of the store. Customer can scan the goods by themselves and then leave the store. Customer's credit card account will be charged automatically.
Still without a staff?
Right. It's namely semi-automated store. Customers cannot walk out frictionlessly, as there is still a checkout process for scanning.
Mother has brought me there before. There is a self-checkout counter.
It's different. Those stores have both manned checkout and self-checkout counters. Customer can select to pay via one of the types of counters.
For some of the elderly, they may prefer counters with staff.
For semi-automated store, it's still not operated by any staff.
Grandpa, I was shocked by those applications.
With more adoption of new technologies, we can encounter more unmanned services. Do you remember that we stayed at unmanned hotel few months ago?
Yes. There was a robot serving us.
You could not find any staff at the hotel. I was so impressed by the state-of-art design, because the hotel was trendy with style.
I was very excited for such services.
We'll experience more unmanned services from different sectors in the future.
I cannot wait to visit the unmanned store. The snacks are very nice.